Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to disable restricted mode on YouTube, because you've probably been wanting to watch something not safe for work, right? Alright, so what you need to do is just first head over to your YouTube app. It's not that complicated of the thing to do. Actually, the process is really simple. Just head over to YouTube and just click on your profile picture on the top right corner of the screen, and you'll find the settings button over here. Click on it, and then now you just head over to general, click on it, and down here you will see restricted mode. So restricted mode helps hide potentially mature videos. I think you probably knew that already. No filter is 100% accurate, so that means even though you turn this off or on, there might still be some videos that can come through. So if you really want to make your kids, make sure your kids are watching something safe, then you need to watch over them and guide them through everything. For the purpose of this video, in order to disable restricted mode, you just click on the switch and just return it back to the normal mode, and now you'll be able to see those videos that you've been wanting to see. I don't want to mention them, but I hope you have fun. That is how you disable restricted mode on YouTube. Like, comment, subscribe if you like this video. See you in the next one. This is Generation Unravel saying bye bye.